And new tonight, a former Memphis Shelby County School Superintendent is waiting to find out if she will get her job back. Dr. Marie Feagins is suing the district after the board fired her back in January. ABC 24's Desmond Nugent breaks down what happened in court today.
It was definitely a very long day in court. There were moments where the energy was very tense during Dr. Feagins' cross-examination with the MSCS legal team after her testimony. 3 witnesses testified in court. One individual was Deidre Malone from the Carter Malone Group. It's a communication company that worked for board members from November 2024 to June of 2025. Malone admitted board members talked about firing Dr. Feagins before the December emergency meeting on December 17th. Malone also testified there was a 4-hour communication plan meeting in December. 80% of that plan discussed the possible termination of Dr. Feagins. The former superintendent held her position for less than 300 days, calling her firing process egregious and flawed, which resulted in her termination January 21st and destroyed her reputation. Dr. Feagins testified about what she calls a smear campaign. She testified that board members made false claims, accused her of forgery. She also testified that a board member claimed she stole their car. She pointed out to multiple private meetings between board members. These happened within months prior to her being fired. Her attorney presented call logs from Feagins to those involved board members near the dates of those private meetings. Feagins says she wants her job back and to finish why she came here to Memphis.
And in 295 days, we have measurable results. I didn't play politics, and that's the only thing that we're talking here. This is not about performance. My reinstatement is a request to finish the job as the merits of the case are proven, because I know that we will prove them.
They could at any time talk about Dr. Feagins' job performance. At any time, whether it was one or all 9 of them. That is different than deliberating as to how they are going to vote on the termination resolution. Totally different. And that's the part that Dr. Feagins seems to conflate. That although she's an employee, she thinks the Open Meeting Act prevents her employers from discussing her job performance. That's not true.
Dr. Feagins and her attorney declined to comment after court. Judge Childress says he will take some time before making his decision. We'll continue following up on this story on air and online. In the studio, I'm Desmond Nugent.
Quite tense in that meeting there, Desmond. Thank you. Now, here is the timeline of how we exactly got to this point. Dr. Marie Feagins started April 1st last year. Now, by June 13th, Feagins announced plans to cut 1,100 jobs, but the backlash made her back down. Then in August, school resource officers threatened to strike over pay, so she agreed to raise their salaries. Then in September, after threats of mass shootings at several schools, Feagins faced criticism for poor communication with parents. Later that month, former board members questioned her leadership in released letters. October brought debates over how to evaluate her, but no formal action was taken. By December, the MSCS board held a special meeting to discuss ending her contract. And in late January of this year, she was formally fired for cause less than a year on the job.